Aha. We're up to aha moments. I don't have my glasses on because I'm not going to read anything off of the original content. I just want to explain to you, my grown-ups, how you and I know that in real life, our tangents are a mile a minute. We're figuring out what we're going to say next right there in front of your eyes. In fact, I just did that. I was figuring out what I was going to say next right in front of your eyes. So what happens to us as actors is the longer we have worked on a piece, and I'll tell you a story about this in a second, but not yet. The longer you work on a piece, the more you might be in danger of making it very rote, just automatic. So to keep that from happening and to make yourself flexible in case you're redirected in the room, which is always the goal, to bring a really strong character, make your choices, bring it to life, but then remain flexible so that if you're redirected in the room, that's not necessarily a bad thing. That just means they want to see, A, if you're still, oops, sorry, I just cracked my knuckle. A, if you're still directable, because why would they want to hire a one-note actor who can only do it the way they've memorized it? Or if you are to just show different layers of you as an actor or layers of the character. That's why you might be redirected. And what I was talking about were the aha moments. So build those in. And here's what I do. Sometimes in my original content, I say I almost always do, but that's not really true anymore. Maybe long ago I did. So let's say that, what can I think of? I'll just do this example from something that I know. All hail, great master, grave sir, hail. I come to answer thy best pleasure. That's not a good example. Let's see. All hail, great master, grave sir, hail. I come to answer thy best pleasure. Be it to fly, to swim, to dive into the fire, to ride on the curled clouds. I'm taking too long, but I'm purposely deciding what comes next. And I know that right now it's coming out a little actor schmackery. That's not the point. I want you to give yourself, aha, what comes next? In my original content, I said, what if I'm talking to you right now and a student just entered the room? That was totally fake. No student entered my room. I'm at my house right now. But did you see that little light bulb go off? Find those moments for yourself. And to become a better storyteller, through one of my coaches, I have been really honing in on every line is a separate thought, separate thought, separate thought. So it all becomes a whole thing of aha moments, which is glorious. Do you have to focus on this in your audition? No, please don't. Or on the set? No, please don't. By then you're just living and breathing and in the moment, and the whole thing should be you focusing in character on the other person who's speaking to you and letting what they give you affect how it comes out, if that's appropriate to the story. But as you investigate it, building in a few aha moments will help you bring it to life. And I bet you nobody else does it at their audition. They're not going to let that little light bulb go off in their head. It just makes you a little more interesting, a little more alive. All right, don't do it if it feels fake, but if it helps you in any way, please do find a few aha moments in your script. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.